Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to get calculator app on iPad. The first thing you need to do is go into your app store. Once in your app store, you are going to search for calculator, and I have this one right here by the name of calculator. Here you can search for this particular one as it's highly rated, and also it has numerous features that a regular calculator just don't have. Now you have downloaded it, all you'll have to do is simply tap on open. And as you can see right here, I'm in the app. And by the way, there's a paid version and there's also a free version, but it is limited. So all you'll have to do is simply tap on close when you see all of the pop-ups for purchases. You can simply close out of it. And as you can see right here, this is the calculator, so you can also do the regular things that you would normally do with a calculator. But one of the things that I like about this one is in the top left hand corner you can tap on the clock icon, and right there you will see the history, as you can see right here. Another thing is you can also tap on the settings icon in the top left hand corner, and you can see if I were to sign up, you can also change the app icon, and you can choose between dark or light mode, and there are numerous options you can choose from how you'd like to customize your calculator. And you can see right here you also will be given access to import from photos, and you can also draw on it by tapping on that right there. But as I said, I am not signed up, so I'll simply tap on not now in the top left hand corner. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.